Hello, I'm Newton Ohema, Director of Immovement Technologies Limited, aka IMTECH, the manufacturer of one of the best leather seat cover. Today I'm here to unveil one of our luxury seat cover that is fast selling today in the market. And it's quite different from your regular seat you find out there, because we considered safety, we considered so many other things while building this. And we make sure that it's going to fit your car and it will cover fully at the back. The question I want to answer here is, why do you need to patronize it? One of the reasons why you need to buy a product, because the product is carefully selected. The quality that we give you is one of the best you can ever find out there. We took our time to select this product. We manufacture from scratch so you can get the best out of it. Another reason why you need to patronize us is when you buy IMTECH leather seat cover, there is a compartment on this leather seat cover that has an encryption airbag. Yes, it simply means there is a part on the seat that can easily tell whenever any form of accident should happen, so that the airbag in your car can easily pull out. Yes, we made sure we put this into consideration. Unlike other seats where you buy and you fix the seat in your car, at the end of the day, when something like an incident should happen, you get trapped in it because the airbag will not be able to blow out. Another reason why you need to patronize IMTECH is because we made the leathers a breathable leather, in the sense that if you sit down on the leather seat, you will not feel any heat at all. No heat. If you are in the car, even if you stay for more than 10 hours, you're not going to have that irritating sweat in your back. And a lot of people really do not like that thing, and they get scared and run away from leather. We had to put this into consideration by making sure the leather is breathable, and when you sit down, you be comfortable. You have the best comfort you could ever find. The leather is waterproof. That is to say, you can use this leather for as long as you want to. Come 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And if you deem fit to wash the leather, you can easily remove, wash it, put it out to dry, and place back on your seat, and it will still remain the same way you bought it. The waterproof functionality built into the leather, so that whenever water pours into the seat, you can easily just wipe it without having any smell or odor. You can get this IMTECH product from different sources. You can get it either online, you can get it offline by walking into the office. Our address here in Benin is at 248 Ubo Lagos Road, just beside the Breathable Motor Park. Or you call this number on your screen, or visit www.imtechng.com. You have different payment methods. If you want to use through bank transfer, or if you want to pay through your Visa or MasterCard, it is easy, fast, safe, and secure. In Lagos, you can get our product from Pestac. Their addresses are also written on the screen. You can also place your call through to the numbers written on the screen, and they will get it delivered to you without you paying delivery fee. Yes, I said so. Come with me now. Let me show you how the product looks when installed in your car.